is Jake. I've been here for 2 years. I'm currently working on a face frame for a mudroom.
This is a Zika house. It's going to be spectacular when it's done. This is a mudroom, and in case you don't know, a mudroom is generally a little room. It's a place where you put your coats and things like that, but rather than have to put them in a closet, it usually have a bench you can sit on and take your shoes off or change your shoes. There'll be hooks to put backpacks and coats or whatever, and a lot of times we like cubbies above. This little mudroom is a little bit different than some of them that I do. It's got drawers, and a lot of times we won't have drawers. We'll just have open space underneath the bench. We did tie it into the room with a baseboard. I used a shorter baseboard on the bottom cabinet, and that will die into the flat part of the baseboard. It's a really good look. I think it's a cute little unit, honestly.
This is the very start of the project. We always start with the face frames, then we move to the carcasses, the actual boxes, and that's about it.